Many airlines will now allow travelers to use phones in flight following relaxing regulations. Previously, there were concerns that radio signals emitted by phones could interfere with aircraft communications, flight control, or other onboard electronic equipment. There was never much clear evidence of this, but the introduction of new technologies has minimized the risk of further interference. Picocell devices act as a mini cell tower on a plane, collecting signals from phones on board and beaming them down to a communications satellite or base stations that reside on the ground.